disappear before my eyes, just above the highest tide, we're falling to the ocean line, and all I see is small enough to make me choke, and the world feels broken down. Counting the lights, the years are screaming louder now, and all the trees start falling down, the brightest lights are burning out. So I will run through fire to reach the other side and turn this life around. And with the moments dead and gone, with every star I'm wishing on, with every right and every wrong, the lonely nights that take us all, for all the stones I've ever thrown, another break against the wall. Close my eyes and not